Hey everyone, welcome back to Over channel. In this video I will show you the best video compressor tool which is in video AI. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type in video AI. Then, click on first link. Once a website is open, scroll down to the bottom until you find these tools. Now, under the quick tools you will find video compressor. Click on it to open. You can see the option for compress. Click on it. Click on upload video. Now you can browse and select video from your system. Once you select your video, then this interface will appear on the left-hand side. First of all, you will see the option for back to upload. In case you upload a wrong video, then you can go back and select the right video. After this, you can select the compression quality minimum, moderate or maximum. You can select according to your desire. For this time, I am selecting moderate. Next, you can select the audio quality between 32, 64 and 128 kbps. One thing I forgot to tell you. You can see this advanced option. Click on to enable it. Now, you can see two more options: frame rate and audio codec. You can increase or decrease FPs from here. After setting all these things, just click on compress files. As you can see here, it is start compressing. Once compression is complete, you can download it from here. And you can see how much your file is compressed. In my case, my file is compressed by 91%. My file is at 31.16 before compression, and after compression, my file is now only 2 megabytes per second. And if you want to compress your video, I will drop the link in the description. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.